Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Accenture exam. You know, I have been observing the question paper of Accenture on campus drive and got to see that in verbal ability, the tense questions are asked 2 to 3 times. So that could be a number gaining factor, right? So today I will discuss all such questions which will be important for your upcoming exam. So let's see. So the first question is shown to your screen. Please pause the video and try to give the answer in the comment section. So change the sentence into correct form, right? So the new cafe has been inaugurated last Sunday. So what could be the right form of this sentence? So I hope you have been searching for the correct answer. So let me show you the correct form of the sentence. Actually, the sentence here talks about the new cafe that was inaugurated last Sunday. This means the action is in the past, right? So it should be had been, not has been. So the correct form of this will be the new cafe had been inaugurated last Sunday. Okay, I hope you have got it. So the next question is he died before his wife came from work. So what could be the correct form of this sentence? Okay, let's go to the solution. Actually, the sentence represents the action which has been finished before the next course of action happened in the past, right? So this implies that we should use the past perfect tense to describe the first action and simple tense to describe the second action. So the correct form of the sentence will be this. He had died before his wife came from work. So this is the past perfect tense, and wife came from work, this is the simple tense, that means simple past tense, right? Okay, the next question is this. So please pause the video and try to give the answer in the comment section. So he dash in our company for more than 10 years and dash retire next. Can you answer? Guys, if you want me to upload a separate video explaining the tense formats, so please comment down. I will give importance to your comment, right? Okay, what should be the answer in this case? Okay, let me answer that. Actually, the first half of the sentence represents a course of action which was initiated in the past, but it is continuing in the present. So the sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense, right? So the format of present perfect continuous is this, and this will be the next half of the sentence will return next, right? So this could be the answer, right? Okay, without any delay, I am skipping this. Okay, the next question is this. Rina dashed the application before she took leave. Had written, have written, was writing, or has written. So this is a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and give me the answer in the comment section. So let's see who can give the answer first, right? Okay, the next question is this. They are best friends and dash each other for 10 years now. So what could be the correct form? Please give me the answer in the comment section, right? Before I answer. Okay, let me discuss it. So actually the answer should be have known, right? Have known is normally used at the time of express something continuing from the past up to the present moment, right? So here the two people are best friends and have known each other from the past, right? So that's why we should give here have known, right? Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, let's go to the next question, that is dash a car when she was working in the MNC company. So what could be the correct form? Actually, this is a tricky question, so please pause the video and try to give the answer, right? Okay, I hope you have tried to fill the blank. Okay, let me discuss it now. Actually, the sentence here talks about the past when she was working in the MNC. Now, the sentence structure is interrogative, right? And in past tense, which means it will have the auxiliary verb first, then following the subject, right? So the answer will be did she have, right? Now, even if we have the verb as singular, it is a rule that with the verb did, we always use the simple form and plural verb, right? So we have to use have, right? Okay, the next question is this. She dash since 5 o'clock. Has been cooking, has cooked, have been cooking, or none. Okay, without any delay, I am answering. Actually, the sentence here has the hint word since, right? So which means that an action had started in the past but is still continuing in the present, right? So in this case we have to use present perfect continuous, but as it is C, so we will use has been, right? Not have been. So correct answer will be has been cooking, because this is singular, so you have to use singular form of verb, right? Okay, the next question is a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and try to give the answer. Right, Neha dash dinner when Pihu called her, right? Okay, I hope you will give the answer, right? Okay, the next question is this: I am dash now, I will call you later. So what could be the answer? Actually, the answer will be am driving, right? Because it is happening currently. That means the action is already happening, not happened or not will happen. It is now currently action. The action is currently happening. That's why we'll use the present continuous tense, and the present continuous form is am driving, right? Okay, the next question is this. So I hope, okay, this is the second last question, I think. Yes. So please pause the video and try to give the answer. She dashed to cross the highway when she dashed and fell. So without any delay, I am answering. Actually, the correct answer will be she was trying to cross the highway when she glided and fell, right? Guys, before I jump to next question, I would request you to please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Accenture on-campus coding question or Accenture on-campus cognitive assessment based question, right? Okay, the next question is this. During the World Cup, the ball on the field certainly did dash more than usual. So jumped, bounced, was bouncing or bounced. What could be the correct answer? Actually, when we use auxiliary verb did, after that we have to use a simple tense, simple verb, right? So that's why the only simple verb is this. So bounce will be the correct answer, right? So I hope you have loved this session. So if you think I have to upload more videos, then please comment down and motivate me, right? So thank you for today's session.